Hi everyone! In this video, we are learning some Chinese related to the airport. In Chinese, an airport can be called 机场. Once again, 机场. If you want to take a taxi to the airport, you can simply say to the taxi driver, 我要去机场. If you are already at the airport and want to check in, you can say, 我要办理登机手续. Once again, 我要办理登机手续, which means I want to check in. And if you're looking for your gate, you can ask, 登机口在哪? 登机口在哪里? Where is the boarding gate? And if you arrive at the airport and wondering where is the baggage claimed, you can ask, 行李在哪? 行李在哪? Now you know the phrases commonly used in the airport. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you!